In fact, more difficult than the Mohammad Road shoot was the shoot at Baad Bazaar, which is Masjid Bandar. We were supposed to shoot for 3 weeks over there. And that's again a very crowded place. And it's impossible for me to go in and out of there. Because if I go in there, then people know I'm shooting there. So that was another difficulty again, which Kiran said, how will we shoot in Masjid Bandar with you? So I said, we'll do it. And I said, what we'll do is I'll go there in the middle of the night at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. When no one is around. And I'll actually go up to the 4th floor. And then I'll stay there for 3 weeks.
So when he woke up in the morning, he would actually reach into Arun's wardrobe and pull out his clothes. He had around him all the books and, props that he needed. So it was like moving into a new house for 2 or 3 weeks, and he pretty much made it his home. And doing that, he didn't have to go in and come back. There was no travel. And he still managed to wake up late for the shoot, despite being on set at the morning of the shoot. But he kind of really enjoyed that feeling of waking up in the bed of Arun, sleeping in Arun's clothes. And we managed to shoot there without any interruption because people really, for a very long time, didn't even know he was there.
So even the people in the building did not know that I was in that house. And I lived there for 3 weeks. It was one fairly large room. We were working there and I was sleeping there. So the unit used to come there, shoot and leave, and I would be sleeping with cutters and lights pushed to the sides and all of that. And there was one bathroom which was attached. And for 3 weeks, the rest of the world who knows me did not know where I was. They were like, he's gone abroad or something. I also had other work going on. So I would have meetings with the Gajni marketing team in the bathroom while the shooting was going on. So all my other meetings, like my marketing meetings for all my Gajni meetings and all my Three Idiots meetings, were all in that house. They would have to trudge all the way to Masjid Bandar and they didn't know where they were going. I said, because I couldn't tell anyone where I was.
I think for Aamir, it was a really freeing experience. He didn't have to go away and be Aamir Khan during the night and come back in the day and be Arun. He literally was Arun for those 3 weeks.
But by the end of the shoot, the people living in that building had got to know that I'm in there. And so they were told that, keep it quiet. And they were really helpful and cooperative. And they said, just one request we have. On the last day, you must bring him to a house. So I had to go to 40 houses. गुजराती स्टाइल बनाइए ना ढोकला कल मैं इसको वही बोली मैडम दाबेली
शाम को थर्ड फ्लोर पे